Very good morning, dear students of Standard 6. As you all know, I have provided you the explanation in my last period. So today I will give you the notes of a same lesson. Lesson number 3.4, Shushruta, a peep into a past. And these are the questions which you have to write it down. Who was Shushruta? Shushruta was a bright student of veterinary medicine. Who was Shalyotra? Shalyotra was Shushruta's teacher. What question did Shalyotra ask to test Sushruta? Shalyotra asked Sushruta what all he could need to perform surgery of a wonderful horse. How long a period did Shalyotra allow to find the missing things? Shalyotra allowed 1 week to find the missing things. What were the three things that Shushruta discovered? The three things that Shushruta discovered are: first one, eagle eyes. Already I have taught you a good veterinarian need a eagle eyes, a good veterinarian need a lion's heart, a good veterinarian should have a mother touch. How did Shushruta find the missing thing? Select the appropriate answer from the alternative. So, by reading several books, by consulting his friend, by observing his teacher carefully. So, the answer is third one, by observing his teacher carefully and thinking about what he did. List all the words related to the surgery from the passage. Words related to the surgery are instrument, medicine, operating, recover. Explain the meaning of the following phrases. An eagle eyes. Eagle eyes means जैसे कि मैंने बोला था चतुर नज़र, a very sharp, watching eyes, noticing all detail. A lion heart, बड़ा जिगर, यानी a very balancing sympathy and science equally. A mother touch, a concern and a loving attitude. Who erected the first known veterinary hospital on the world? Emperor Ashoka erected the first non-veterinary hospital of the world. When did veterinarians start accompanying armies? Why? Veterinarians started accompanying armies during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya to treat horses, elephants and well as cattle. List all the words related to the surgery from the passage. Words related to surgery are surgical method, dressing of wound, bandaging of fracture. Write notes. You have to write notes on a veterinary science of ancient India. Okay. So these are the notes. A tradition of veterinary therapy developed very early in India based on the Ayurveda. Indian veterinary medicine is known for its specialist literature which give information on ancient methods of preventing and treating disease of animal. The oldest exciting veterinary text from India is to treatise entitled Ashwayurveda Siddhanta by Shalyotra. Subsequently, there is a treatise by Nakula titled Ashwa Chikitsa, wrote on animal surgery, making people aware of surgical method, dressing of wound, bandaging or fracture, etc. Emperor Ashoka, who contributed a lot of practice in a veterinary science. Care of animal in the regime of Emperor Ashoka. The great Emperor Ashoka erected the first non-veterinary hospital. he arranged for the cultivation of herbal medicine for men and animal in his emperor and the adjoining kingdom. Animals were given tonic and stimulant, and their physical and mental health was looked after. Prevention of disease, cleanliness of animal and their stalls and stables are given importance. The quality of food and the disadvantages of the overfeeding were all looked into. So these are the small notes. Third one, utilization of animal byproduct in the ancient world. Utilization of animal byproduct was done wisely by our ancestor. Conversion of milk into butter, ghee, curd, khoa, etc. was a common practice. Chicken was utilized for its meat, while sheep was utilized for its wool. Use the suffix ly to make one word other word. You have to use suffix as ly to make a new word. जैसे कि subsequent, subsequently, immense, immensely, frequent, frequently, beauty, beautifully, wise, wisely. Okay? Note it down in your book. This is next question which you have to frame question from the whole story. You can make other question also, but it should be related with the same story or same lesson. Okay, students? So complete your work. In my next chapter, next period, again I will come with a new lesson. Till then, complete your work. Have a great day.